Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, so your device will be allowed to search for some updates. Then we have to enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. At the top we've got software updates, so let's tap on it, and here our device is right now checking for any kind of software updates which are pending. Of course, if for some reason it did not do it automatically, no worries, just tap on check for updates. So if you will have if you are not able to download anything, you will have the same information that your software is up to date. You can check the current version, etc. However, if you will be able to download any kind of update, your device will show it to you, will of course explain everything. So, for example, provide you information about new things in the update, fixes, what has been fixed, etc. So you will have a lot of information, and you will be able to simply tap on download. It should appear somewhere here, and your device will download and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.